Hi guys, today we'll be making our own song with Chrome Music. So first, go to your web browser and type in Chrome Music Lab. So to make music, click on these boxes to make a tune. Even if you click on them randomly, you can make a tune. As you can see, I'm just clicking them randomly. It's kind of a good tune. Now let's make one more. You can click on the boxes again if you want to delete that sound. So this is my final product. You can increase or decrease the speed like this. Isn't this fun? You can even use your mic if you want. That's all for today. Bye.